Install a screen protector without bubbles. You guessed it, we're going to install a screen protector. Most people are scared for some reason about putting it in, or they're afraid about getting bubbles or something else. If I can do it, you can do it, and you absolutely can do this. Okay, let's get started right now.
Okay, so today what I need to do, I don't know if you can see this or not, my screen is cracked. Everything's working on the phone. I've kept my protective wrap on the back, but I need to replace the broken screen. It's broken right here. And it's broken across, so my fingers keep hitting it. So it's not a big deal. I don't know why people are always nervous about changing the glass on here. So let's remove the old glass. Just stick your fingernail underneath here. Lift up. You can see that now. Now you can probably see that better. Well, you can absolutely see it's broken there. And then it's just fractured in the corner, and they always snap off and break. So that's never a good thing when you do that. So I got a couple options here. I have a super clean cloth that I can wipe down and wipe everything down with. It's probably better than black than daylight because you can see more. You can super clean it this way. You have your cloth here. You got your tack cloth. Actually, let's open this version up. This is bought from Amazon. And there's 2 screen protectors in here. Only need one, hopefully. I think I bought it without the guide because I already have the guide here in one of the old packages. No, it comes with a guide and everything. It comes with everything, the full installation kit. I thought I bought a cheap one, so let's see what we got here. I guess I can put this stuff away. So there's a piece of glass here. Here's the installation kit. This is one piece of glass. And then here's the second piece of glass. Premium tempered screen. Let's see what we got here. Little card for pushing down. I never seem to be able to get those guys to work. I think I'd rather use this than anything else, but I'm going to use what they gave me. Dust absorber. Where to reorder. Okay. Like, I'm nothing special with doing this here, so if I can do it, honest to God, everyone else out there can do this. I'm not even guaranteeing good results. I think I'm going to lay this cloth out a little bit here. I'm going to give it a good clean. And where I'm sitting right now, I got a good sheen of the sunlight coming in here, and I can really see the glass. And this thing looks perfect. Little mark that was there. Let's go around and clean it up a bit. There's micro droplets from the cloth here. I'm sure will dry off. Well, I got 2 of these guys. I don't need both of them. Where's the other one at here? Here's the other one. Okay. So I'm going to put this guy on. I don't want to touch the glass at this point. Okay, so now this ring goes on here. Oh, it's also important. Order the right one. Okay, so now let's take a look at this guy. please peel this mark before application. Okay, so this is, I can see by the bevel here, this is the back of the glass. That's where the adhesive film is. Now this is the part where you screw up most of the time. Set this guy down here. Set that guy on there. I'm going to set this into my guide. And I'm going to slowly push down here. I'm still holding on to the back here. I don't want any air to get trapped in, so I'm going to lower this down slowly. Yeah, that card actually does work pretty good in this application. Wow, that's pretty snazzy. Well, I guess that's about it, really. That took, what, no time at all. Well, thanks for watching.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. All you have to do is click on the icon on my face and I'll do the rest. Hey, and if you like really good videos on machining, check out my parent YouTube channel, Shop and Math. There's some awesome videos on there. Thank you. Have a good night.